Hey guys, I have decided to come on here and play around a little bit, so making a cute summer, I guess spring summer design. And I'm going into this pink acrylic and picking up a decent size bead, but keeping it really thin and almost kind of shearing out the color, if that makes sense. And then I decided to go in with these really cool little petals. I really like them. They're like a creamy white color. And I just pulled the one off from it just so I could alter it on the nail more to my desire, I guess. And then I like to take like a clear piece of plastic or saran wrap and then place that over it just to kind of help pat it down into the acrylic and get it to lay flat. And then I thought it would be really cool to come in with a few butterflies. These are like those like little paper ones you can buy. So this one has a design, and then I'm going to go in with another one that's just kind of like the cutout of the butterfly in a solid color. Really cute, really fun, really perfect for spring. And then I decided to add a little bit of glitter. I'm kind of wishing that I would have gone with like a gold glitter, but whatever. This gave it a little pop of color. It's still cute. And these little glitters are more like on the pink side, like a pinky red. And then there's a few blue ones that I'm gonna pick up and place randomly on the nail as well. And I'm not trying to overpower the nail with glitter. I'm just putting a few random pieces here and there just to give it a little bit of bling. And I wanted to show you guys me encapsulating the nail because I have had some questions, but I found this really hard on camera. It doesn't really look like I'm struggling, but I'm struggling. I'm really struggling here. The camera is directly over me, so I'm kind of like looking under it. So I put the second bead trying to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing, but I did end up finishing this nail off camera. I didn't really add any more acrylic to it. I just kind of manipulated where the acrylic was off of camera. And then I filed and shaped, and here I am with the top coat, and this is just so pretty, so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. And then I don't know what happened. I didn't get to record, but I did do some of these little 3D flowers, and I just stuck them on with gel. And again, you got this really cute springy summer design. It's so cute. So freaking cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.